Good morning, everyone. Today is March 2nd, 2015, and welcome to our live Forex scalping session for today. Now, of course, before we get into our trading for today, please note and read the disclaimer that you just saw on your screen. We are HyperFX Academy, and we educate people on how to trade the Forex market successfully and with very minimal risk. We are full-time Forex traders with over 15 years of trading experience. Now again, guys, I will be narrating the trades for one of our students that he's taking live using his $10,000 account, which tomorrow will be exactly 3 weeks since he's been trading on that live account. And I will be walking you through the trades. Of course, you'll see the first trade on the screen. It's the pound yen trade. So we are using one of our basic setups, which uses Renko bars, and it combines it with the zigzag indicator. And we use the horizontal and angled trend lines depending on the position of the second dot in relation to the previous dot. So the support levels are the blue dots that you're seeing on your screen, and the resistance levels are the red dots that you see on your screens. So once the price action breaks these levels, that's when we enter a buy or a sell trade. And if you're in a position and you get the opposite signal, we exit the original position and then we get into the opposite position. Now this is very powerful. This is just one of the basic strategies that we're showing you. However, this is much more detailed, explained at our workshop, which is coming up again, guys, end of this month. So if you're looking for more information or you have any kinds of questions, please get in touch with us. Our contact information is on our YouTube channel as well as on our Facebook page, HyperFX. So the first trade that you're seeing, of course, because of this setup, we tend to be in a particular trade for a lot longer since we're trying to catch that right trend. This is the way this indicator or this strategy works in this system. But of course, the profit margin is also much higher than one of our other systems. So in this particular trade, I believe we were in this trade just under, it was under definitely an hour. But you'll see at the end, this trade was a very profitable trade. I believe we took profits of just over $800 in this particular trade, which is great. And then we're going to take you through our second trade. So there was only, the student only took 2 trades for today. The market was actually very slow. There was some news coming out, and as we've said before, we don't really trade during news because we don't know which way the market tends to be very volatile, and we don't want to be stuck in a particular trade and have a losing trade. So therefore, we're very strict on our rules. We don't trade when there's news coming out. This is going to be the 3rd week for this student on his live account. So overall for today, he did profit targets. He took about over 2% just for today. We'll show you his closing balance at the end, of course. So just to kind of give you guys a breakdown, on his $10,000 account in just under 3 weeks, he's managed to take 30% in profits. This has consistently been going up every single day that he's been trading. Mind you, there was one particular day which he didn't take trades. I think there was a family emergency, but overall, you know, he took profits every single day. There you go, guys. You just saw the trade closing. I believe $800 in profits he took for this this particular trade. The second trade, which was his last trade for the day, was on CAD dollar. It was a dollar CAD trade. This was a very quick trade. Again, he was in and out very fast, and only one position in this case. You know, it broke perfectly, and here you're going to see he's drawing the trend lines. There he is going to take that sell trade. And then he exited, I believe, took profits of just over $70 in this particular trade. And then it was 11 o'clock, and you know, as you know, we only trade between 8 to 11. Typically, we like to end our day before 11, and you know, we want to make sure that we're not stuck in a particular trade later on during that day when the market's not really doing much. So again, why do we trade the Forex market? It's the largest market in the world with over $4 trillion that's traded daily. And you can choose when you want to trade. There's many different sessions you can tune into. We trade the US Open session, as you know, and it works out great for us. There you go, guys. Looking at your screen, you see the profits going up slightly. I believe he just waited just over $70 and then he closed out the trade. So again, our workshop is end of the month, guys. We're getting a really good response from all of you. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, comments, please get in touch with us. We're more than happy to give you any more further details that you're looking for. And then, of course, we're really looking forward to the workshop as well. There's going to be great strategies along with this one. This is just one of our basic ones that we will be teaching in that workshop. Here you go, guys, looking at his closing balance for today. And this is really it for me. I will be back tomorrow with more of our live trades. Until then, have a great day and happy trading, guys.